Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So today we have a new product from Tusk that we're really excited about. A lot of time in the making, and this is the UTV Tool Kit. This is a 66-piece toolkit that's going to come with pretty much everything that you're going to need to do a vast variety of different repairs out on the trail. It really goes back to that old saying, it's better to have something and not need it than to need it and not have it. And we've taken all the experience that we've had over the years, because we've had just about everything go wrong in our UTVs that could. And so we've taken all that experience and used to say, okay, you need this, you need that, and things that you might not think you need, you're gonna need, and we've put those items inside here as well. So we just wanna walk you through today, show you all the tools, everything that comes included inside here. Like I said, it's a 66-piece set. I'm not gonna tell you every individual piece. If you go to the product page, that will list off everything that's coming inside here, but I just wanna give you a general overview and talk about some of the standout features and why we're so excited about this. A lot of the tools, like the open-end wrenches, are made from high-quality CRV steel. Done a lot of durability testing with the tools inside here, even the bag, and we're really happy with the way this turned out. And we designed this bag, really, this toolkit, for the rider that wants to be able to buy everything you need in one-stop shop, put it in a location on your UTV, whether it's in a cargo box or if you want to strap it down somewhere and leave it there. This isn't something that we would say, oh yeah, just take it back and forth between vehicles, because that one time you go out and you have something happen, you're gonna think, oh crap, I forgot to put my toolkit inside here. So we recommend buying one of these, putting it in the location and leaving it there until you need it. All right, let's talk about the features of the bag first. It's a high quality 1200 denier fabric. It's very durable. I like that you got this nice big grab handle right here. It makes it easy to carry when you do need it, but you do have these buckles right here on the back. So just an extra location if you want to tie the bag down, makes it easy to do that. Nice quality metal buckles right here in the front. You've got this rubberized coating right here. Again, that's just going to add to the durability, especially where these buckles are going to be rubbing a lot. But we'll just open these up real quick and unroll this thing. So a couple nice things about this when you have it unrolled is, one is that you've got this flap that goes over the top of all the tools. It keeps them in place. It keeps them protected. So I'll undo these. All right, so first thing I want to point out, you'll notice that this material right here, it's got that rubberized coating. What's nice about this is that it's very easy cleanup. You know, this thing's gonna get dirty depending on where you use it. So this is just a material that's nice to work with, easy to clean. What's also nice too is you notice that every single compartment is labeled for that specific tool. That way, as you're taking things out of here, you know exactly where they went. You're not wondering, okay, where was this at? And it just keeps everything nice and organized, nice and tidy, which for us is a big deal. You got a magnetic strip right here in the middle. So when you're taking nuts and bolts off, you got a location to put those so you're not dropping anything, you're not losing those, which, trust me, has happened plenty of times. But when you look at it, like I said, 66-piece set. You've got your open-end wrenches, you've got a 1/4 inch and a 3-inch drive ratchet, you've also got a 1/2 inch breaker bar, you've got your pliers, locking jaws, Torx, hex keys, you've got a tire valve core so you can pull the valve core out if you need to, your screwdrivers. You might be wondering, well, what do you need a hammer for? Because I actually did ask that question, and you know, somebody who has spent a lot of time in side-by-side said, Chase, you just never know what you might have to bang loose. So it's better to have it, again, and not need it than to need it and not have it. But you've got your extensions, you've got your adjustable wrench, full socket set inside here. I'll get those out to show you. So you can see you've got every socket size you're gonna need, from an 8 all the way up to 19. You've even got your larger sizes here. You've got a 30 and a 27. You've got some standard sizes as well. And again, you got your breaker bar there. So everything that you're gonna need is going to come included. And I love that it comes on these rails just to keep your sockets organized. And also what's nice too is that this pouch right here is just an extra pouch in case you wanna add anything to this toolkit that you think is necessary. And it's removable. So again, if you know, first aid items, a belt removal tool, anything like that, great location to put those. And speaking of belt removal tools, there's several kits available with this, because you need to have the specific tool for your side-by-side to remove your belt if needed. That's probably one of the most common repairs that you're gonna be doing on a side-by-side when you're out on the trail. And so we have put together several kits. You can buy this toolkit just by itself, or you can buy kits that will come with a belt removal tool specific to your side-by-side, whether it's Polaris or Can-Am. We've got those, so Again, when you're on the product page, you just enter the year, make, and model of your UTV, and then there will be a drop down, and that way you can see, you know, if it will come with a belt removal tool for your specific machine. And then for some Polaris models, getting that side cover off can be kind of a nightmare, and so it would actually come with this flex drive screwdriver here. That way it just makes it a little bit easier to get to those bolts or those screws to remove those. So like I said, with this toolkit, a lot of time in the making, a lot of testing. We're very happy with the way this turned out. If you've been shopping for something like this where you're just gonna get pretty much everything that you're gonna need for any type of repair, this kit is for you. And the best part is, with how high quality the tools are, the bag and everything, it's still a phenomenal price. You're well under 300 bucks. So to grab one, it's simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over 75 bucks. If you want to stay up to date on products like this, make sure to get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and that way you'll be always up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.